Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Asma Bashir, and I'm so excited to be a part of Dev Neuro Academy 2022. I was a part of Dev Neuro last year as a speaker, and it was an incredible experience, wonderful to meet the students and work alongside the team, but it's even more exciting this year because we'll all be in person, and I flew in not too long ago, about 24 hours ago, so I am just over the moon to be here to spend some time with you students and again to work alongside the amazing Dev Neuro team. To give you an idea of my educational and professional background, I did my undergraduate degree in psychology. I first studied here in London at Richmond, and then I transferred to Boston University. And then after that, I did a PhD in neuroscience at the University of British Columbia in Vancouver, Canada. And there I honed in on traumatic brain injury. My lab was interested in developing what we call a biofidelic model of injury. So a model that is authentic to the human experience so that eventually, in the not too distant future, we can work hard on developing therapeutics that have the highest likelihood of success in the clinical trial stage and hopefully moving past that into patients that could benefit from some of the outcomes of the studies that are done in my lab and also labs like the one that I was in for my PhD. And then for my postdoc, which I did at the University of Edinburgh, the UK Dementia Research Institute, I was interested in astrocytes and other cells in the adjacent blood-brain barrier region that respond to inflammation, injury, and also to dementia-related disorders. I'm currently based in Halifax, Nova Scotia, Canada, where I do quite a bit of science communication work. I started my SciComm journey while I was a PhD student. I worked very closely and volunteered quite often with our local science center, Science World, and also with our local space center, the H.R. McMillan Space Center. And there I would talk about my own personal work and more generally about the work that was being done within the neuroscience department at the university where I was studying, UBC, the University of British Columbia. And in the last year of my PhD, that's when I started my podcast, Her Royal Science. It's a STEM podcast where I interview wonderful individuals from around the world who have interesting, creative, beautiful STEM journeys. And wonderfully, I get to talk to people who are minoritized in STEM because it's a lovely perspective to have access to and to create space for. To sum up, I'm excited, first of all, to meet all of you. I'm thrilled to be sharing my journey on Wednesday when we'll be at the Denmark Hill campus. I and a cohort of lovely people are going to be talking about our research, our experiences, and we'll also be holding a panel where we will chat about diversity in science and more generally in STEM. And yeah, come to me if you need anything, and if I can't help you, then hopefully I'll be able to put you in touch with someone who might be able to help. So yeah, see you soon.